Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room show, and I've got us some interesting news on the new Sangean radio. Yep. Remember about 6 years ago, I did this show on the Sangean ATS-909X, and I really like that radio, except it's deaf on shortwave when you use the built-in telescopic antenna. You can't pick up anything, so you have to use an external antenna, which, you know, it's a portable radio, so you don't want to have an external antenna. Anyway, so I've been on the fence. I've been waiting to see what other people are finding out. Well, this gentleman has answered my question. He has been doing reviews of the brand new Texans and now the new Sangean ATS-909X2. He did one video on the X2 showing shortwave reception on external antenna. And myself and another gentleman left a comment, please test it with the built-in telescopic antenna. So, like the next day, he did this show, doing exactly what we asked for, so we can find out if that problem has been fixed. And oh my gosh, I have permission to show you parts of this video of his, and I want you to go to his channel and watch his videos on the new Texans and on this new Sangean. Here, down here, this is the channel name. It's, I think, lowercase o 00 scorpion 00 lowercase o. I think that's how you spell it. And check this out and the other videos. I'm going to show you a few minutes of it. Here we go. He's testing the Texan PL990X against the new Sangean. Telescopic antenna on both.
And I'll let you hear it on the PL990. Now, unfortunately, you hear that? I have no idea what that is.
Oh no.
It's some type of internal noise, but
changing the bandwidth and it's not helping.
you can hear the sensitivity is much improved on the telescopic clip on this radio. You can hear that it's there, apart from that noise.
Okay, he goes on to do excuse me, more testing on different frequencies. Sangean has that noise problem. Sounds like some kind of internal feedback across the bands on shortwave. Not good. This is a showstopper right now. He does say at the end that he's going to contact Sangean and see if he can get a replacement. Hopefully the replacement won't have that problem. But we shall see, and I want to thank the gentleman for doing these shows, letting us know there is a problem, at least with the early production units. And I'm on the fence now. I'm going to hold off. I definitely don't want the radio if it's got that problem, even though it has other enhancements. That's it. Thanks for watching, and thanks, gentlemen, for letting me use some of his footage. Bye-bye.